Hi, my name is Aisha Khan, and I am a front-end developer for UtradeU. This platform is a university marketplace for students and alumni to buy and sell items, to offer their services, and to even promote their events. When my sister graduated college, she had a lot of leftover items, such as her old graduation gown, her old lab coat, and goggles, and I easily thought that a lot of these items could find a new home. And that's kind of where the idea of UtradeU stemmed from. We wanted to make it a little bit more enticing for students, so we incorporated a social media aspect of it for people to interact with posts, like, comment, and share. Overall, UtradeU's goal is to reduce waste on campus and create a more sustainable U.
Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Day, and I'm a back-end developer for UtradeU. Throughout all of our development process, we wanted to keep users as the center of our focus, and we wanted to make sure that our application would be relevant to a specific set of users, which in our case is University of Utah students specifically. We thought of problem statements such as an alumni, I am done with my lab coat and I want to sell it to someone who would use it and give it a second home. Or as an upcoming freshman, I want to buy a calculus textbook and I want to make sure that it's the correct one. So throughout the development of UtradeU, we wanted to keep these problems in mind, and so we wanted to make sure that by targeting specifically University of Utah students, everything would be relevant to people who would be coming and going through. We wanted to give an experience for everyone such that it would be easy to interact, mingle, and create a sort of networking social media in addition to a marketplace application.
Hello everyone, my name is Cameron and I'm a backend developer for UtradeU, and today I'll be walking through our project. So if we take a look, this is what you're taken to once you have signed up for a profile and logged in. Again, in order for you to sign up for a profile, you have to have an email address that ends with utah.edu. This just allows us to control that only university affiliates are allowed to create an account. Once we've signed in, we are taken to the main page where we can see our list feed. Now this list feed is more of a social media view where you're able to see posts one by one and you're also able to interact with them. In terms of interactions, you can like, comment, or even share a post, and you're also able to report any of those inappropriate posts that you might see pop up. So scrolling through the feed, we can see who's posted each item, and I can either click on their name in order to view their profile, or I can click on my icon in the top right corner and then my name to view my own. And from here, I can fill out different information about myself, such as my major and my bio, anything else that people would want to know in order to get in contact with me. Additionally, I'm also able to see the different items that I have put up for sale myself. You can also narrow your search by searching in this search bar. Let's say I'm looking for AirPods, and we'll see AirPods come right to the top. You're also able to filter for items. If there's a category of something that you're looking for, we can look for all of our electronics to see what electronics people are selling right now. I can browse for different items also through a grid view, which gives you a more broad look at what's on our site. You're able to just see the pictures and icons, and in the top right of the icon, there's also the icon that indicates if it is an item, service, or an event. If we take a look in the bottom right, we can see our AI chatbot named Nasser, and this is just a bit more of a flexible way to search for items. So I can ask him to look for something a little vague. And what he can do is pull recommendations. If there isn't something that explicitly matches what I'm looking for, he'll look for something similar. And in his description, he'll give us the description and the price of the item, as well as a link to it where we can view just the item itself. If I see a post that I want to leave support for, I can either leave a comment, maybe ask a question about the post itself. And if I really am interested in buying, what I can do is click this message the seller button. Now this message the seller button will take me to a separate chat page where I can see all of my chats as well as this new one that I've just created. So let's say I'm interested in buying this product and I want to set up a on-campus meetup with this. So what I can do is I can message the seller and ask, where would you like to meet on campus? How does the union sound? And once I'm there, I can wait for the seller to send me a message back, and we can coordinate both a pickup place, a price, if that needs to be negotiated, and anything else that we might need to do in order to complete the transaction. Additionally, this chat supports the ability to send and receive images, so if you'd like to request more images from the seller, you can do so here. To create a post, what I can do is on the top of our page, click this Create Post button. And from here, you can see the 3 different types of posts that you can create: an item, a service, or an event. But today, I'm just going to be creating an item to post. So if I click here on item, I could fill out the different information about it, such as a description, a price, a title, and I can also put an image there as well, so buyers can see what they're going to be purchasing. And then from there, I can click on Create Post, and they'll show up at the top of the feed. On the top of the main bar, we can click this auction page, And from here, you are able to see items that are up for auction. So what this means is that the item is only available for a certain amount of time, which is displayed in the top right of the post right here. And also from there, what we can see is the current bid and who is the highest bidder. So if I see something that's super intriguing, like this post right here, I can place my own bid here and submit it. And now when we see the post, we will see my name as the current top bidder, as well as how much the item is up for bid right now.
Hello, my name is Nasser. I'm a front-end developer for UtradeU. I'm going to be talking about the system design and the technologies that we used for UtradeU. We used MERN stack, which consists of MongoDB, Node.js, Express.js, and React. We also used Chakra UI alongside React to make our website prettier. We used AWS S3 bucket to keep our images on the cloud and get them back when we need them. We also used Google Cloud to host and deploy the website. We used OpenAI and prompt engineering to build the AI chatbot, which helps users find products, items, services, events in an easy way. We also used ChatEngine.io to implement our chat feature, as well as NodeMailer to implement the email verification feature. With that, thank you for watching, and we hope you find UtradeU helpful.